like I keep saying, Shatta is a very powerful person, extremely influential, and with influence comes the power.
Yeah.
I'm telling him to watch out and be careful about the power that he wields and what he uses it for.
Yeah.
Because it will come back in a billionfold.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my fans are Kwashe, glorifying sin, glorifying
I get
all
where you're
these
going.
social vices.
Yeah.
It came back to bite him on his birthday, whereby fans, people who came to enjoy with you on your birthday, some of the other fans who have these vices, in Krofua, technically, into that practice, original stage, I glorify them. They came in full metal jacket, in their full regalia to operate on that day.
Yeah.
And in Krofua, some were harmed in the process. Some, it was too bad. Some of the videos that we saw. And then, I mean,
the commentary, I think there's a video of a white man talking about the phones, the
phone in 8,000. Now 8,000, I'm presuming $8,000 and not CDs, which is which. If it was CDs, fair enough. But $8,000 out there show Botomaba. Are you stupid?
Shattawale nyomo kikaye and a bar program na sebe hante no and and KwasheBoys o majeja masa uti so bia ka asem na nipa kro no ye hater unima de krontia event bia ye no wiase bia da bi obi bibira matena brocha ye nyuma bebre ya ye cleaning adwuma eye event after event no muko ye cleaning na ubehu nyoma amanfo jano park ne so ubehu after event no enyoma amanfo report say ayira enye bakofo na nane abrewa ema obi antumfutro bia enwani event bia obeko bia say ye Tupac, say ye Michael Jackson, say ye Lewin Brony event bibini event bia ye no wiase bia de bia day in day out event say ye no UK ye no America musician bia wo wiase bia ye event amanfo yira amanfo ye amanfo bone amanfo enwema basasi na the ShattaWale a preacher even church event square no abonti no uye mistake obi be hwa wa de wase church event at the 31st night ya sofofo no ejeje park no mu event a yente nsem omuka omutimi ka se hwe no anfa bag ansi ho okobọ mpa kra fa bag kuta ya sorry church service asio eno kra no ye preach say ye very careful sabi ye wa kwantuo mu subways no uti tremu uti metro mo fo basa ubo se na so ye careful o phone o bag bibi se ho ye careful masa normal say event ko one dress ye one shempa papa one shatta papa one fansuo bi anka ho one ye bibi a bibi besi sabi akonto mu ye ko event da bia unim normal basa ekoso ewo event ase asake bebo show wo ewo landing na hayaye ma kire haya obi ni ba ngu obi ni ba wuye anyoma basa sa anyoma no eye normal nya dia sabi ShattaWale be so ye event ntino amanfo mra magege amanfo nyoma no so what me got now platform so ebie wa no ka asem bi sa e wo se nyame de wo bone chew wow, echese ase adwem boni wo trim ase nipa na ne ho ye wa hikwa and ase bi entertainment no nima de kro asori dem kra ye mistake obi be via wa de asori dem a ye kanya me asem wo ye mistake obi be via wa de event bia no wo wi ase a ye pon obi bi nyira opa abrabonte be che event kro even church service kra ye pon obi bi nyira the lover ShattaWale a show for the street no. Me a sure say nya ade a 2x4 content creator bia betima tena the platform so a church na adina kan na ato so ai no to say afi no betu ShattaWale wo afutuo wo betima tu ShattaWale fo eja wo afutuo a kokohwede wo kwayem kokaten so omra fie medidi na fie emu ode Coca-Cola, jollof, akoko nam nyina wa ha omra fie medidi. Ubetuma tu ShattaWale fo. Eja. menkasa biem. Sɛ wo amanone na wopɛ sɛ wode sika ɛkɔ Ghana, you should learn 5. Me ne wo ka sɛ this month. Sika bi ad bɛkɔ Ghana biya emu 2%. Omesa de ama back. Abri bi apɛ sɛ ɔsa send sika no. Untu botomo. Ɛyɛ saa 2% no matete agu ona no. Na ebi adane sika do sopo. No wasa send e de kɔ Ghana. Ana dodo na mabusuafo ɛwɔ America no. Da biya mo ka kyerɛ mo so mo mrɛ mo bibi, mo nyese mo no mo oh de me pa kyerɛ no. Mr. Box Oak Logistics aba. Ɔse sɛ wo America mam na pɛ sɛ ɔde nneɔma home use bibia wo dan ho nneɔma o party ayie dwuma bia wo di bia pɛ sɛ ɔde free America ɛba Ghana. O machi no company bia ni hɔ. Ofrɛ Box Oak Logistics a ka kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛnam TheBonahShow so ana wote omo nka mprempren na 10% ɛyɛ ɔdea. Ana afrɛ omo nso a ɛni gisɛm kra kɛseɛ ne sɛ omo atu ka ɛba wo aboboa no ɛbɛ box nneɔma ne nyinaa ɛde kɔ Ghana asomdwe mu ma. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopɔn nhyira wo na ɔnte n'anim kyerɛ wo. I'm out.